Yo, all right. Today is January 10th, 2024. Going over today's price action. I really don't want to because I feel like I fucked up. Not gonna lie, and I'm more upset that I should have just walked away when I should have. But the thing that I'm really upset about is that uh my trade ideas worked out for the most part, but I just couldn't capitalize on them. I took 4 trades today. I'm supposed to only take 3 trades. I took 4 trades. One trade that I saw looked good towards the end, but it failed, and then I just waited a little bit because it was the last. I just felt like the market would continue on that direction, and it freaking halted for the most part. It went and then paused and then returned, and then just basically bounced back and forth like a basketball being dribbled, and it was quite annoying. Um, but let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. All right, uh, so this is it here. So in the sense, I would be down. I was down 120 something. I'd be down $1,180 if I was trading my one ES contract. If I was, and then adding to it, I would basically hit my max loss limit. Or I would be down $11,800 if I was trading 10 minis. We're just working on micros right now, just one at a time. Here you can see that this one I got stopped out at. This one I added to it because it was looking good. Got exited trade early. This is the one that I added towards the end. That felt like it should go up. Price didn't go up. And then these are the ones I added at the end. Very close to capitalizing. I was extremely close. I think I probably had an opportunity to clear all of this out. We can go right to that one first. I think, yeah, when we had that drop right here, it's about 6 points. So even I had closed it out, what, 4.5 points. I had five, but four of them, 4.5 more or less. 4.5 times 20, right? That would have been, it would have bring back some of that loss. But I was really hoping for price to at least go down to here, to these lows. I was hoping the NQ would have went down lower. NQ, I wanted NQ to go down to these here where it bounced off of, but NQ just went freaking sideways and paused. And then ES also did the same thing, paused after this long move, just paused right there, holding this level, and I wanted it to break lower. I really wanted it, not gonna lie. Um, I didn't get it. I didn't get it. So this was my last final trade. Um, let's try to go over most of these trades if I can find them. Uh, okay. So actually, the video is up, so I can show them in the video. Let's do that. All right. So let's do that. Let's show them in the video. I can move this out of the way, and let me pull out my here. So first trade came at 12:45. I lasted 2 minutes into it, got stopped out. 12:45. No, 10:45. Move this out of the way. Let's put this at its highest. Make sure we are showing highest. Let's go over to 10:45. All right, so price was dumping. I didn't see anything yet that caught my attention, and I was waiting for this area here, 5884. All right, I got this area from this right here, where price had a low base drop. Right, had a RSI base drop. I said, okay, price should definitely come up here and reject. Kind of similar right here on NQ. So I was stalking that area. I just waited. I was waiting. I was waiting, I was waiting, I was waiting. All right, trend line is building, and I said, okay. I told myself I needed a trend line break, or I needed green RSI candles, or I needed volume. While price was moving up, I said, I really need volume. I'm really going to need volume. I told myself that I need volume for this to actually work. That's what I told myself. But I was still drawing my trend lines. All right, 10:45. All right, I was still drawing my trend lines, and then here we go. Price started breaking here. It started looking good. I said, okay, it looks like price might go. Let's speed it up a bit. Ambient mode. Heck is this? All right, I don't know what it is. So I entered at there is where I entered at because price level was holding. So I entered the trade. It looked good. Um, NQ didn't look good. I didn't see NQ. I was blindsided by just ES. I like the volume that was going up into it, but I wanted volume from the 5 minute. So setting up my charts, setting up my level, price stop loss I got 5589.5. I want to speed forward. And I got stopped that at 47.14. So they said, why are you still in this trade? Just exit. And price started moving up, and I exit the trade. And I said, shit. And then here, I do have a green line here. This is from this high volume from the market open. So this is for NQ. So NQ decided to visit that area. And then I'm taking my screenshots, going over it. Not seeing that. I finally got the volume and price halts. Volume 50, price halts right here. NQ halts. Boom. This is what I needed. I wanted the volume. I wanted the volume to go in and then see price reverse. That's exactly what I wanted. We came to here, we paused. Look at that. After that, price just dumped. I was like, what the fuck? Without me. I thought about entering here, but the stop loss just looked too long. And then and I said, shit, we're gonna go all the way down to the weekly lows again. So I missed this entire move now. This is about over 20 plus points. Right? Because price does drop over 20 plus points. So I missed that trade. Bolt went without me. There we go. And I was pissed. I was really pissed. I'm not gonna lie, I was pissed. And then I waited to see if we can get a reversal back up. Because I like this this is buying and then selling volume. Both of them came in, right? So this is like, okay, price might continue lower. Um but price but I was hoping for price to go lower. So here goes my next trade. I entered this trade, price broke, but no volume. I told myself I should wait for volume twice. Second time I told myself twice, I should wait for volume. I should wait for volume. Not just a trend break, but I should wait for volume. No volume. There's no volume into it. There's no volume out of it. There's no green RSI. There's no red RSI. There's nothing. But I did like the fact that VIX came down here to this level, this lows, and well, we're reclaiming those lows. So I had valid reasons to want to enter. So I entered at 42. I waited for this candle to close to show that price was back in motion and ready to go. So I went long. So I went long. Price starts to kick off. I said, okay, I really like what's happening here. I like that we're pulling back. We held the pullback. I said, nice. I went long a second time right here. So it's a double bottom. Looking for price to come up to here. I love this, what's happening here. I love everything that's happening here. Everything's happening here. I do have a level here that Brass gave me, so from Discord. Um, and there we go. We're ready to go. I said, okay, this is gonna work out. This is good. That's what I'm thinking. This is good. I don't have anything to really stop me. I'm gonna go towards my first 10 points. Then this is where price should reject. All I'm saying in my head. That's all I'm saying in my head. This is where price is gonna go. And look, we're holding. We're really holding. Price is pushing up. Double bottom. Pushing up here. I said, okay. I think I drew a trend line. Then I realized I said, let me draw a trend line to see how price reacts. Boom, we broke here. I said, crap. If we get below this, I'm gonna have to exit the trade. I gotta protect my downside. I gotta protect my downside. Even though NQ still, up, but I already added to this trade, so now I'm risking way more. I have to exit the trade. I said I gotta protect my downside. Price is really pushing. Nothing I can do about it. I didn't wait for volume. I didn't get anything. Price really hammered on down. I think price went below. All of this is 12 o'clock. Price hammered it down to that thing there. I said, wow, that is a hot mess. ES dropped and Q still holding that. So that was my second trade. And I should have stopped there. I should have just stopped there. Because now we're at noon. And I said, well, if we're going to hold, I think we're going to shift because we still have levels that I like. This is the election gap here, and then this level up here. These are two areas of volume, and volume never came in. I never had any volume for price to actually be this crazy. So I said, okay, we're gonna look for something. So price went down, looked for something, didn't find it. Moved up, looked for something, didn't find it. Acted like it was gonna go, came back down, looked for something, didn't find it. So what is price doing? Right? What the heck is price doing? So after price came down, that at that time where it stopped me out, this is it right here. This is 1206. So around this candle here, it freaking reversed straight up. This one here stopped me out, took went down. This one here stopped me out, went back up. I'm heated. I'm watching all of this happen, and I said, "Oh crap!" We came back and reclaimed this. We came back, reclaimed, and then moved higher. I said, "Crap." Um, it sucks. Now, I'm laughing because this one here, I thought about taking, but I said, okay, I got green volume coming in, a green RSI is coming in. Green RSI is coming in, right? We're hitting a high. We're hitting a high, an area where price was supposed to buy and sold off at, and we have some selling off right here, right? So these are some low points. That price paused and dropped again. So all of this is in fair play game for potential reversal. Because now we're hitting highs. We hit a high. I said, damn, this looks like an entry. I should have been in this trade right here. It's killing me. So this one here got the volume. Volume here. Volume right into it. Got the volume. I don't know what I'm looking for. I should have just entered the trade. Um and then this happens. Freaking price moves actually down without me. It moved down here, consolidated for like what was it, an hour or so? For yeah, about an hour, and then dropped again. Right? So right here, I'm kicking myself in the butt like shit. Right here, price moved in my favor, and I watched it, and I'm like, damn, I was in this trade. This trade here was hard. I got a lot of good setup. This one got greedy, didn't wait for volume, entered too soon, entered early. This one here, it is what it is. I can let that one go. Even though it worked out in favor, everything worked out. Just if there was volume, it would have been much better. This one here, these two trades here were supposed to be my trades. I just needed to wait. I didn't take that one. This one I got into early. And then I tried to take a long, somewhere around a long ad 1505. 1505. Right here. So I took a long. I saw price holding. I said, oh, price is holding a level. It was holding this little bad boy right here. I like that price bounce. No volume. I saw price bounce. Took me out. And I said, okay, you know what? Screw it. I think we're gonna go lower. And then that's when I tried the lower tip. And that's my fourth trade. So my third trade was this here. This level here that we had reclaimed. There was no volume here to actually like do anything. Um, I'll pull this trade up. Third trade. I entered on the 1 minute. We broke like a little trend line here. We bounced. It looked like it was holding. It did. But look at this little red selling right here. Was not getting past that. And then we had all that buy. We was not getting past that. We were in selling territory. I should have went short right here. I couldn't see myself going short here because it just seemed like it just wasn't it. But we consolidated here the whole entire time and stayed below that. We picked up once and then that was it. After that, below, 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 sell off. Picked up once, held it the entire time. The entire time. So that sucks. What's NQ? NQ went above it a few times, went below it a few times. NQ was still like trying to figure out itself, but we broke the trend line, and that's why I was so positive on the upside. Um, this trade here, that crazy reclaim. Nothing I could do about that. We came back and reclaimed that. We gave volume, selling volume at the top right here. Could have maybe grabbed that one. Could have, but shit. Cause we had buying. I thought I started ignoring all of that because we had the buying candles, the buying RSIs coming in. But we ended up holding though. Tough fucking day. It got tough once I started buying. That's really what happened. I started buying and selling. It got tough. When I started hitting these damn buttons, but what I can say is that the levels work. I just didn't. That's pretty much it. This one worked out. That sell off, yeah, that one worked out. This little bounce here was good, but this high volume here that we retested, this buying that failed, this sell buy, this failed buy, and we retested, worked out. Uh, right, and that was on NQ. I just needed to wait for the volume to come in. Right, we were right there, right next to it, coming to it. I just needed to wait. I can find that first trade. Only thing I have. Oh, I can see it in the video, and then I'm logging off. First trade was at 10:45. I just want to see NQ or yeah NQ and ES. This is green right here. So here it is. So I just needed to wait. See right here. I entered while ES NQ. This line should have been deleted. This line should have been deleted. Even though it's the bottom of something, that should have been deleted right there. I just needed to wait for NQ to actually do this. Green buying RSI candles. Volume came in. A high at a sell-off low. Yeah, let's enter this bad boy. Where the RSI is met, and then that's it, right? So high at an RSI. So the RSI is meeting, right? The converging conversion at these levels, would have been good. So, but I missed those four, one, two trades. This one here, just need volume. The other ones, I don't know what the hell I was doing. But I took four trades today. I did break my rule. I don't know what punishment I should give. I don't know. I gotta find something for like stop doing these stuff because I really felt like wrecking out. I really felt like wrecking out. I had four contracts on that last one. Four contracts, right? The probability looked like it was good. We didn't want to go short, but we just never did. It was the end of the damn time. We pushed down, pushed up. I did move my stop loss. I did move my stop loss. I think I had my stop loss here initially here. Price came, was just like, what the hell is going on up here? Come on, come on, come on. And then push back down. Came up, push back down. Came up. I was just like, what the hell, dude? So when we started going up again, I just exit the trade. I couldn't take that. It was just too much. Price came back up and then closed, market closed right here, pushed up and then stayed down here. All right. And I would have wished that I was able to stay in this trade and exit down here with 6 points on 5, 10, 15, 20. So yeah, so 6 times 20 would have just either net me net positive or at least keep me, that low loss for the week. But this is my this is my loss for the day, 118, and then my loss for the week. If I could find it. This is my loss for the week, 146. So um today I gave back what I had gained the other day. Right, the other day had brought me back to almost break even, and then today I just gave back a lot. Sucks, but we're working on it. These are very big losses. So I want to be low, and I want my buys to be like good. So, anyways, that's it from today. Um, that's it. So I need to make sure that I find a way to reinforce these rules, three trades, and better entries, which is like my RSIs and volume, like really just waiting, like my patience.